Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nurhanis binti Muhammad Jasni. My matric number is 25 DPM20F1007.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Akila Nabila binti Tukimin. My matric number is 25 DPM 20 F1013. How I will handle the issue? As a human resource manager, I will handle this issue step by step. First step, understand the nature of the conflict. It's often tempting to make assume about conflict. Second step, encourage employees to work it out themselves. Keep in mind that letting to every worker complain and make the situation worse. Next, call both employees and hear explanation from both employees. The first step is determine the real issue together and consult employees handbook. The last step is to find the best solution.
As a human resource manager, I will use the staffing process that has related to solve this issue. Start from human resource planning, which has recruitment, the process by which an organization reduce its workforce, followed by recruitment or hiring, selection, induction and orientation process, induction and orientation, and followed by training and development. In training and development has three skill employer can be categorized. First is technical skill. Second is interpersonal skills. Third is problem in solving skills. And the last of the process is performance evaluations. Next, I will discuss about how I, as a human resource manager, try handle to solve this issue by using decision-making process. So, the first step is the decision-making process will start when the problem is identified for action. The problem must be clear and specific goal must be achieved from the decision. After the problem is identified, I will make sure the decision must be measurable and timely. So for the second process is form the alternative. If I find all the relevant information, in this step is to formulate the possible solutions to the problem, and I should explore creative and imaginative alternatives to solve this problem by using this process. I will using the common method to develop alternatives by using the brainstorming method. So in the third process is about analyze the alternative. Evaluation will be made based on the strength and weakness of each alternative. All manager, also I as a manager, human resource manager in this situation, are faced with uncertain condition, lack of capital or other intangible factors. There are 4 factors that must be considered in evaluating alternative. First is authority factor. Second is biological factor. Third is technological factor. And 4 is economic factor. So for the fourth process is I will try to select the best alternative to solve this issue. After I analyze the all alternative, I had to choose the best alternative to make this problem settle. Once a set of alternative has been developed, the effectiveness of each alternative is evaluated. Each alternative should be evaluated systematically according to 6 criteria. So in all my best alternative should have these 6 criteria. The 6 criteria is first feasibility, second quality, third acceptability, cost, reversibility and ethics. So for the last process is implement a decision, perform the evaluation and take the follow-up action. So in the follow-up action, I as a manager, after the situation has settled down, I must to take an action or feedback from all my employer to prevent this issue or problem getting back. So to provide this, I need to take a feedback from all my employees.
We discussing making technique. Firstly, I use directive style. The directive style is practiced by people who prefer simple, clear-cut solution to problem. As a manager, I make the discussion quickly because they do not like to deal with a lot of information and may consider only one or two alternatives. All managers or employees prefer the directive style generally and effect and rational. I can be fair and can avoid any more conflict. Secondly, analytical style. They on gathering and analyzing data to make complex discussion. The manager carefully alternative and will of the best objective and rational data from management control. This is for the best discussion are the information available. Thirdly, the technique conceptual style of discussion making. It is the best technique because moves socially with analytical style and prefer to discuss problem and the possible alternative to solve problem. Manager with a conceptual style will consider many alternatives, rely on information from both people and system to solve problem creatively. That's all from us as a human resource manager to solve the problem. Thank you.